between the wheel wells. The torpedo had only been perfected just a month ahead of the invasion. Admiral Yamamoto knew he had to have a fish that would run shallow in the waters at Perl. It's only 50 foot deep, and they had to go across the top of the submarine nets. As the capes line up on the battleship, they drop first one, then two, then three. They impact the starboard side of that great ship. She rolls over with 400 sailors still in the bows of that great ship. It was Christmas before they got them all out. Some of them had lasted as many as 20 days.
Yeah, circle.
That great ship never fought for America again. Feel the concussion of the bomb. Smell the cruise ship as it comes across the bay. Yourself an 18-year-old sailor. You're on the United States battleship Nevada. Your skipper has the steam up. He starts with the outlet into the Japanese jump on him like bees on a honeypot. He knows he can't make it out. So he reaches that great ship on Hospital Point to save his ship so he can fight another day. Admiral Husband Kimmel, the commander of the Pacific Fleet, on December the 7th, was standing in front of his quarters watching this all going on. A stray bullet came through the window and struck his blouse. He said, "Oh, but that hit had just killed me." General Walter Short, the commander of the Hawaiian Self-Defense Force, had all of his aircraft lined up just like the Patriots are here today. One young serviceman told me once upon a time, he said, "Ken, I was marching down, up and down the field with a 45 caliber pistol in my hand. That's all I had. They were so close to me I could see the whites of their eyes." For over 2.5 hours, it continued. The second wave changing momentarily. Listen, you're the President Franklin Delano Roosevelt.
Yesterday, December 7th, 1941, a day which will live in infamy. The United States of America was suddenly and deliberately attacked by naval and air forces of the Empire of Japan. The attack yesterday on the Hawaiian Islands has caused severe damage to American naval and military forces. I can tell you that very many American lives have been lost. In our armed forces, with the unbounding determination of our people, we will gain the inevitable triumph so help us God.